Hi, this is Navani Ramasani. Today I'm going to tell you about strategic management of Amazon. Globalization and technological growth have changed the way of business operate. Currently, business face still competition due to rapid increase in customers need and requirements. New business organizations and new products enters. For any business to survive in competitive market, they should transform digital recruit competitive and talented employees, empower their employees and retain their workforce to increase production and revenue income. Technological advancement is a continuous process. Therefore, companies should try as much as possible to adopt and adapt to the competitive advanced changes. A good business should also anticipate and monitor customers' behaviors and shift according. Instant business primary runs physical stores should running. Coming to the next point. External environment analysis of online retail industry. Political factors impact Amazon technology and services business include political stability, especially among the developed countries, offering the company to expand its operations in developed countries. For example, the company can expand its bricks and monitor store in America. The USA passing of bipartisan marketplace fairness act adversely impact the business because will reduce cost advantage. Amazon had it competitors because it used it not to pay taxes where it did not have a physical presence. Finally, the various government effects to cybercrimes positively implicate online retail because hence software online transactions. Labor cost impacts the commerce and could computing the gain. For example, in June, Amazon about 183 employees. In 2015, Amazon had about 183 and 100 employees who get paid, in which increase the production cost. The low prices of the production and services, the company shipping carriers such as US Postal Services. In 2014, the company spent US 6.6 billions on the delivery, but ended up receiving US 3.1 billion in shipping. The company continuous investment in information technology increases customers trust due to information privacy reduces operational cost and increases its performance like timely delivering system using drones. However, the company experience consist cybercrime threats. Coming to the Amazon Porters for analysis. According to Amazon Porters, due to content transformation in the technological industry, it is very difficult for the company to experience the threat of new entertainers. A new business must heavily invest in both the human and financial resource. On research to stay in competitive industry, Amazon continuously invests in research to satisfy the customer's needs. Invest is the technology is made possible because accumulated large funds gained from constant profit. Operations making the research and development cost low. And the first more advantageous, Amazon has two kinds of buyers Amazon products customers and retail who contract with if they online. Amazon products customers bargaining power is very low unless there is combined buyers collaboration against the company. In 2018, the company has several suppliers to buy from because of its capability to access suppliers. In 2018, the company experienced substitute threat in various forms. For instance, online shopping could be physically store that provides catalogs to their customers and allow them to call and make the order or others online stores. Coming to the third point, online retained value chain analysis. Coming to online retail value chain analysis, Amazon retail business is based on the fulfillment by Amazon. An economic of scale for inbound logistics. Sellers use FBA to store their inventory in various Amazon fulfillment centers and enable the company to take fulfill responsibility for products. The third party eligible for free shipping, Amazon Prime and other benefits. Amazon operates are seen into three: Northern America, International and Amazon Web Service. Marketing and sales are also other key value source for company. The company annual worldwide marketing expenses has witnessed a trend of continuous increase. Marketing expenses include advertising and potential costs. It has been estimated the company spends more on market than it competition's marketing strategy. It offers sellers training service by alerting them on the other opportunities ensured. It also shapes sellers' prices to make them more competitive. The company returns strategy is completely done on online through customers. The company has been ranked as the top online retail business in United Kingdom and USA for the last 5 years. Coming to the third point, Amazon VRIO analysis. Coming to VRIO, the company brand name has been built by several factors like customers' trust. The company has earned customers' trust through time delivery, attractive prices, and focused customer services. Other factors, the strength Amazon brand includes technology, human resources, international business operations. Experience has made Amazon make tremendous growth in the relevant industry. It has also enabled the growth of the company brand and popularity in international and US markets. However, other online and bricks and retails focus on customers' experience, narrowing the advantages. In 2015, Amazon spent many financial and human resources in research and development in online market, spending heavily on research have than another organizational global, including global. Google continuously research has enabled the company to improve its products to algorithms. Research development is Amazon is not match for its competition, making it valuable, rare, and monitored by other files about it will cost them time and many reasons. Coming to the next point, corporate social responsibility and sustainability analysis. Coming to sustainability analysis, a rich Calor's corporate social responsibility model defines stakeholders as individuals associated with a given organization based their studies. The company's CSR strategy, customers has the key stakeholders and the primary determination of the success commerce because they affected revenues. Amazon customers' interests are met through the attractive prices, service, convenience, and online security because of company's serious involvement in services and technology. The company applies advanced information and communication technology to communicate with customers. In 2010, the organization Human Resource Department enhances new ideas development to suitable policies and leadership practice. The continuous growth of Amazon leading to its global expansions, especially those leadership and management positions. In 2017, the instant Amazon Smile enable customers picks their favorite revenues percentages in is donated such activities, which turns into influence the company. Coming to the third point, global development and recommendations. Coming to global development and recommendations, one of the strategies that company may embrace is strategy specialization in specific categories of products. Although Amazon with a wide range of products helps the business organization increases its selection. It can also cost since some products are not profitable. In 2014, continuously diversification into new products prevents the company from marketing profits, which is like to irritate shareholders in future. Amazon should consider lowering its product's price to attract more customers, and it should expand to new e-commerce markets, practically growing development and moreover than the company. This can help reduce the possibilities of marketing mistakes and entertain threats to the new products and business. Coming to the next point, CSR Dilemmas. Several CSR dilemmas face Amazon. One of the dilemmas includes high rates of the employees turnover. Amazon has high standards and expectations, and any employee who cannot handle the increments demands is leaving the highest rates. Also, the higher turnover rates of contribution for the low wages. Diversification is important, but too much to extent that reduce profit is to its sustainability. Coming to the next point, corporate social responsibility and sustainability recommendation. The first recommendation is that the company pays its employees as required by the retail industry and offer them incentives to increase employee retention rates. Moreover, the company should be cause of those individuals. In 2010, the company should provides offer profitable goods only rather than supplying every product. Providing specific product will enable the company to maximize its profitability. Finally, total the global sustainability of Amazon conclusion. Internal and external factors play significant role in competitive position of any digital business. Analysis of internal and external factors enable various management to understanding both the competitive and temporary advertisement. Various analysis tools like VRIO, Value Chain, PESEL, and Porter 5 or at even organization. Every organization disposable to affect the internal and external analysis. In case of online retail business, the paper has explored PESEL and Porter's 5 tools for external analysis and VRIO and the value chain analysis for internal analysis. The strength includes strong technology. This strategic analysis tool measures the strength, weakness, opportunities and threat of a business. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for me giving a nice opportunity.